a long sleep.
In the ditch, blood to my kicks. They can rip my body and I can't feel shit. Blood to my lips, 2 cuts on my wrist, and a brand new shirt for the dirt. Fuck this, pull myself up. I am the enemy, stop with the fuckery. You ain't no friend to me, evil the body, this what I was meant to be. Anti to everything. Tripping the dirt, I can feel myself breaking the weekend by every time I get failed to recognize I can control the aspect of life that I like. If it bothers me, I will not hide. Thinking if I can find up in my spine. Look up at my face and tell me, am I doing fine? I cannot seem to be one with the demons of feeling I fear I will never.
Like, oh, my dog just ate rat poison. I'm like, all right, he'll be good.